Hello, Algebra 2. This is the first video that I'm going to do that will show you how to do a homework problem that I gave you guys yesterday. Since today was your worst day of the week, since you didn't have Algebra 2, I thought I'd post this video so you guys would have some math in your life today. So this is number 20 on the homework, and you will see a question like this on the quiz tomorrow. So I want to make sure that I go through it. It's pretty much probably the hardest question on the homework. The one on the quiz won't be this hard, but it's still good for you to see how to do this one. So we have a formula, and we're being asked to solve for I. So I is the variable that we want to get all by itself. And right now, it has the 1/2, it has the w squared, and it has the u with it. So right now, it has a lot that we have to get rid of in order to isolate it. So what are we going to do? Well, I always like to say you start the furthest away, the variable that's furthest away that we need to get rid of. So u would be the furthest away, and that's where we're going to start. Since we are adding u to this term with I in it, we need to subtract it in order to undo it. So I need to subtract u from both sides. So on the left side, I have e minus u. And what am I left with? Because the u's cancel. I'm left with 1/2 I times w squared. So now we have to get rid of this 1/2, and we have to get rid of this w squared. I think it's easier to get rid of the 1/2 first. So if we are multiplying by 1/2, to undo that, we can think of it as dividing by 1/2, or, which is I think easier to think about in this case, how do you divide by 1/2? It's the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal. Well, the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2/1, which is better known as 2. So I'm actually going to multiply both sides by 2 in order to get rid of this 1/2. So what's going to happen here? This 2 and this 1/2 are going to cancel, which is exactly what I want to have happen. But I can't just multiply the right side by 2, I also have to multiply the left. So I have to multiply the entire left side. So these parentheses are really important. And I'm going to multiply by 2. If you want, you can distribute this 2. So we are left with 2e minus 2u is equal to I times w squared. Well, now I have one more step left to get rid of the w squared. Since we're multiplying I and w squared, to undo that multiplication, I have to divide. So I'm going to divide both sides by w squared. My w squareds cancel, and I'm left with I equals 2e minus 2u over w squared. I have isolated I, and even though I don't have a number, I'm still left with other variables. This is my final answer. I hope you guys found this helpful. Good luck studying, and I'll see you tomorrow.